So you want to create some content, but you're not really sure what to create. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 proven ways to get ideas for some online content. Before we get started, I should mention that the gum is currently all swollen around my wisdom tooth right now on the left side of my face. So if you do notice me speaking a little bit weird or a bit lispy, that's why, okay? But I wasn't going to let that get in the way of delivering this value to you. The first and best way to get ideas for your online content is to listen to your audience. And don't worry if you don't currently have an audience. The other 2 ways will apply to you after this one. So, first and foremost, your prospects are everything. You should not be creating content that you want to create, but create content that they want to listen to and to read and to watch, right? It's all about your prospects. It's all about them. So it makes sense that you should be listening to their feedback. This includes any comments on any of your advertising posts, any comments on your social media posts, or anything regarding social media at all, like messages or anything else. Anything from customer support queries, any groups that you may have, communities, stuff like that, any coaching programs that you may have, literally anything you can think of when your customers are contacting you, that is all gold dust. It is incredible how many ideas you can get just by listening to your people. For example, in my coaching program, I get asked all the time questions from my coaching clients, and they're kind of very similar, but often those questions make it into videos like these. For example, this video you're watching right now was as a result of somebody asking me earlier this week, James, how do I come up with ideas for content? So even one question that somebody asks you can make it into a blog post, a video, or whatever else, which can help the rest of your audience as well. The second proven way to get great ideas for your online content is also for those of you watching this video who don't currently have an audience yet. Now, the next best thing to looking at stuff from your own audience is looking at stuff from other people's audiences. And the best way to do that for free is to join groups on Facebook. All you need to do is 1, log into Facebook, look at your feed. 2, go to the search bar at the top and type in your niche. And then 3, click on the groups filter. Then it will show you a huge list of different groups in your niche where you can simply look at what people are asking about your topic. So for example, in the weight loss industry, what some people may ask could be something like, I notice my weight fluctuates around my menstrual cycle, for example. So then you could say, well, you know, it could be this, it could be this, it could be this, and that could be a topic for your blog post. Another thing could be, I struggle with water retention. Somebody may ask about that. And then you can research that and give that content and advice in a video or a blog post, whatever, right? So think of it that way. Whatever people are asking in this group is often a representation of what more people are thinking, but they haven't had the courage to ask. So the third and final proven way to get great ideas for your online content is to model what your competitors do, okay? This can be as simple as searching for your niche in YouTube and having a look at what comes up as the top results. If you have any of the faintest ideas of what to talk about, possibly from the first 2 steps, you can really narrow this down based on what other people are doing. Whether that's on YouTube, through Google, or any other search engine or whatever, you can search for what your competitors are doing and then model what they do. Now, of course, I'm not saying copy them directly. That is plagiarism. Don't do that. Instead, look at your competitors for inspiration and then put your own spin on it. And putting your own spin on it could be as simple as putting things across with your own viewpoint, with your own personality, with your own video, and everything else as well, right? So hopefully this video has helped you. If it has, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button if you're watching on YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and we'll be back with plenty more videos over the coming weeks. Have a great rest of the day, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.